Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Michael. This is Mickers TV, my YouTube channel. Today I present you very good and special food. This food is coming from Italia. It's called spaghetti bolognese. Have fun to watch the video and send a like if you like this video. It's very easy to cook this. At first we cut onions, then we start to cut the carrots. We have spaghetti. This is a tomato sauce, salt, pepper, Maggi, and the second Maggi. That's all. So have fun. And here we have pork and beef meat. So now we start to cook here. At first the oil. After the oil we start to cook at first the onions. Here we are cooking the onions. I started with 5. I change it and go higher to the number 7. And this time I can start to cook the spaghettis in hot water. And here are the noodles, the spaghetti. I take the half of them. That's enough. If you would like to cook for 3 people. If you would like to cook for 4 or 5 people, you can take 500 gram. So you can put the full package of spaghetti in the hot water. So we have hot water here. You have to put salt here. So that's okay. Now we'll check the onions. And the hot water, I now here, this is a maximum. Okay, now we cut the carrots to the end. Okay, now we have it together, onions and carrots. This is salt again. So you have to cook onions over 5 minutes and with carrots 3 minutes. So after 8 minutes you can start with the meat. And yeah, here we have to wait. If the water is cooking, you have to wait 10 minutes and then the spaghettis are ready. Here I put the lid on the cover. It's better because it's the temperature is higher if you close this. So okay, after 8 minutes I start with the meat. So we put them here. Sometimes the milk is frozen, but this time it's not frozen, so it's faster to cook this. And here the water starts cooking. I check it. Very, very good. Close it and go to the number 5. And here I go to the number 9 for 2-3 minutes and then I go up. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see how easy it is to cook Italian meal. This is my recipe. And start with spice. Here I have pepper. I put it here. This is normally pepper. Then I have muddy spice. And we have spice for chicken. This is very light. It's from Maggi too. But do not season too much here, because if you have so much spice, it's not good. So you have to put, I think, how much salt? Yeah, you can say like this one you put salt, like this one you put Maggi, and like this one you put pepper, and like this one you put the chicken spice. As much as a spoon. If the meat is ready, you start with tomato sauce. And after this, it looks very different. Now it's not cooking because the temperature is not high, but wait 1-2 minutes and the food is cooking. After tomato sauce, in 7 or 8 minutes it's ready. I have checked the spaghettis. The spaghettis are ready after 10 minutes. So you can see it's you can cook it very fast. Now I have covered this, but you can see it's not complicated to cook this food, and yeah, you can do it however you would like to do this. You can take real fresh tomatoes, you can take with that, or you can take some other spice, whatever you want. So you can season it as you like. Now after 20 minutes, okay, this after 15 minutes, I calculate the time with cut the onions and carrots. After 20 minutes, you're ready. Yes, but yeah, the reason is why I'm ready very fast. Here the cook machine. This is a booster. It's a modern cook machine, and this is very fast, so I can cook it faster. Yeah. If you have another stuff, maybe it's older model, it's not the best and fast to cook, you need maybe 25 or 30 minutes, but not more. Normally you have to make the meal in 25 minutes, and this is a very good time. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see how easy it's to cook spaghetti bolognese. This is my recipe to cook them. You know, if you look in the internet or go to the different restaurants in Italy or another cities where you can find Italian restaurant, It's very different, and this is my recipe, and I hope you like this. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to show you how easy is it to clean the spaghetti from the water. So we are here, we have this one, and then you start it. And ready. Look, it's ready. So now after this, if it's finished, I take cheese. You see, I make this one. Little one cheese. So this is spaghetti bolognese. Ladies and gentlemen, that was my recipe to cook spaghetti bolognese. I hope you liked the video, enjoy, and yeah, I wish you a good meal, have a good meal, and yeah, if you have some questions you can write me to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel Mikars TV. I'm very happy. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.